You all have heard of the graph since it ICO'd back in December of 2020, so just about a month ago, but I'm not quite sure what exactly they do. So their price went up a lot, so people are hyping it up, but what is it that the graph does? And that question is what we're going to answer today in the video. So like I said, since they ICO'd, they went from about 10 cents to about 80 cents, and then went back down to 30, 40 cents, and now they're back up to 50. And it'll be interesting to see if they keep going up and up. What do you think about the graph? Do you like it? Are you invested in it? And if you're not, what price point are you looking at getting into it? If you're watching up until this point, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video so more people can actually see it and become more aware about the graph, and maybe they'll invest too. Now, what is the graph? They are a decentralized protocol for indexing, querying data from blockchains. So basically, just like Google indexes the web, the graph indexes blockchain data from networks like Ethereum and Filecoin, and then that data is grouped into an open API that is called a subgraph that anyone can query or search. So it's quite literally like Google, but for blockchain, and then it creates a subgraph that people can easily look up, and then they can use that graph for their own needs. Basically, this makes developers' lives much easier because think about it, just like with Google, instead of you having to create information, you can literally just look up if it's there, and if it's there, you can use that information for your own purposes. And this looks to basically do the same thing, but with blockchain and developing platforms, APIs, so for people to basically use the knowledge that's out there without having to basically be redundant and create the same source code, create the same algorithm. There's no need for that because now we have the graph. And like you can imagine, this technology can be used for a lot of different industries. So for governments, for decentralized finance, for any marketplace, entertainment, non-profit organizations, all these entities can use this technology for their advantage, and they have their own algorithm that obviously makes this all possible for people to upload information and to query it. So that's also where their value is. And if you're watching to this point, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So this video was a little bit about the graph, what it is, how you can use it, and the potential of it. Do you like the graph? Are you invested in it? If not, let me know why not. What are your reservations, or are you just waiting for a dip? All those questions, please answer them in the comment section below. Everything does help. Mr. Mufleh out.